in the last episode, you saw us collect this little DS3. We dragged it home on the trailer. I give you a little run around. I even told you how much I bought it for. We compression tested it. We stripped off the oil cooler. And in this episode, we now have some new, nice, shiny parts. I got this off eBay. I think it was about £56, but I'll put the price on the screen for you now. I did get a discount. When you're checking out on eBay, make sure to look for those discount codes. The last couple of things I've got off there, I've got 10%, 15% off. Just keep an eye out for them. This came with a new oil filter and new seals, even though I've already bought some new seals. They were about £9. But let's get it on the bench, side by side, and see if this is going to work and fix our issue. Here we have them, new versus old. And these are the other set of seals that I mentioned I bought. This one is quite soft. And this one, it's quite hard. It feels plasticky almost. So I'm a little bit more confident this might fix our issue. And obviously, as you can see, this one's broke. It perished. What I'll do is I'll put that old seal back in and we'll take a look. Look at how flat this is there. Look at that. I think this might just fix our issue. But in true YouTube fashion, I've just realised as I flip this over, temperature sensor, no temperature sensor. So I'm probably just going to have to try and strip that off, swap the cap over in the oil filter and use this housing, which I don't think there is an issue with that. This was very stiff and it was almost like it was threaded. At least this one's coming out. This one's just rounded, you see? No good, no bueno. Now, somehow, you've got to get that out of there. There we go, we got it. Right, it's a good clean that now. Right, this is going on a lot smoother. 25 Newton meters. Oh yeah, that's better. So much better. Now let's get a torque wrench. There we go, 25 Newton meters. Forgets and Asbode, we do things properly. So I made an absolute meal out of that, but we now have the original housing with the temperature sensor, new seals, new oil filter, and a new oil filter cap, because obviously I rounded that one. So in theory, if I didn't round that, I would have got away with the £9.60 seal kit. That might have fixed everything. But hey ho. Right, with that back together, next job is we got to try and get it on here. So we got to make sure that this surface is all nice and clean, free of any grime and grit, so that this seal is perfect, because we can't have any more issues. So I'm going to put you on the time lapse and we'll delve into it. With a little bit of fiddling, we managed to get this in. Torqued up to 10 Newton meters. I got absolutely filthy, covered in oil, but I've got myself cleaned up now. I've got 2 bolts on there, the 11 mils. I need to bolt all the manifold on, connect the exhaust down below, get all this buttoned up, and then we can start looking at trying to fill it with some fluids. It's getting close. I've got a good feeling. Barring a wipe down, we have all this buttoned up and finished. What I'm going to do now is, because we've got no fluids in here, I don't know whether this will work, I'm going to top this up right to the brim. I'm going to leave it overnight and we'll see if it seeps through anywhere. The Oil drain plug's still out, still a little bit milkshakey, and that's dripping out. So we'll see. I don't know, maybe some water will drip out of there. If it's not working, I don't know. Let's just see. I did not expect that. That good feeling I had has just turned into a sinking feeling. That is not good. Right, so I think the next step will be to get the sump off and see if we can find what is going on. I'm presuming it's a crack block, which we kind of suspected anyway, and we took a risk on it. We knew that might be the case. So I think we just need to start looking for a toe block. What you need to do, start subscribing, liking, commenting, get us monetized so we can afford a new engine for the baguette.
The next day.
It is the next day and I've done it. I bought us a new engine. Again, I went on eBay. I couldn't say no to this. I was going to take the sump off the DS3 and see where the water was coming out just to double check that it wasn't that oil cooler housing. But I couldn't say no to this. It was £540. It's 2014 with 88,000 miles on it. But with that trusty discount code, I got £54 off. But now I've got the job to try to get that in the garage. And then we've got to get that out. To get that out, I've got to turn the car around. But I'll worry about that at a later date. For now, let's try and get this engine in there. Right, she's in. It wasn't actually that difficult to get it in, I was just playing. Now I've got the mammoth task of getting that engine out and this one in. Hopefully this one is good. I've got to turn the car around like I said earlier because I've got a hoist up there. And then fingers crossed this is a good engine. So it looks relatively clean and I even got an extra nut, so absolutely buzzing about that. It's a DS3 engine, so this engine is used in a lot of different cars, Peugeots, a few other things with the same engine code, but this is actually out of the DS3, the 120 brake one, so I'm happy with that. It even come with all these nice plugs in it. Yeah, hopefully as well, this looks like... This looks like it's already had some sealant on there. Oh, is that? No, that's just the gasket. That's just the original gasket. There was a little gap in there. Very happy. Well, obviously, if it's a good engine, I won't be too happy if I swap it over and it doesn't bloody work. And I'm probably going to leave this video there. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. We're nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so well done. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, we're over 1,000 subscribers, so buzzing. Don't forget to hit the bell notification because obviously you don't want to miss out on me struggling to get that engine in. And most importantly, don't forget, tell your mum and tell your nan.